So hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today I'm gonna teach you how to change skins in Elden Ring Nightreign. So to change skins, you do need to kill at least 4 Night Lords to change skins and to unlock skins and stuff like that. So head over here. You can on M, and you can press change garb after killing 4 enemies, 4 Night Lords. Then you can unlock skins right here. But the Dark Soul skins like Abyss Walker and Faram, you are only able to get them after beating the final boss of the game. So Hello Star is the final boss of the game. So you can only get these guys on after Hello Star. So to change skins, just press that as you see here. This is the Artorias skin, very popular in the Dark Souls community. So he looks pretty good. So change the base Wilder skin to this. It's pretty nice to see here. So yeah guys, that's how you change skin in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. See ya.